Hi and welcome again in the sixth final notebook of this course, introductory course. This notebook is shorter than the last ones. You will have more time on working on your final assignment. Mm, and this notebook concerns packages. What are packages? Well, as you have already seen, often when we are programming, we define functions and or create some objects. Very often, these functions, for instance, functions which we create, uh, are more general than just this one project we have created. They can be used here, here, and there, and there, and there, and they have many, many use cases. That's why when you have just as functions combine some code into a closed structure, you can also combine functions and some objects into more complex structure, which is called a package. And this package you can then download, or sometimes it's built in and distributed with your Python installation, and just import this package and the functions are available to you. They are already, you can already use them. Often these packages were created by someone else, so you don't have to go inside into the details of coding these functions or stuff. So yeah, it's very, very useful. And in the next few videos, we will have a look at two examples of such packages, namely the math package, which defines some mathematical functions, and a random package, which allows you to get some pseudo-random behavior from your machine, so so that you can create things like lotteries and stuff using computers and other machines. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this final module. It should be quite easy, but on the other hand, it should open many opportunities and possibilities before you. So yeah, let's jump into it and see you in the next video.